The overall goal of this procedure is to create anatomical models of preclinical X-ray CT datasets using 3D plastic printing technology. This is accomplished by first placing a rat or mouse into an image station and scanning in X-ray computed tomography mode. Next, the data is reconstructed and formatted for input into a commercial 3D printing device. In the final step, the printer extrudes a complex physical model of skeletal or soft tissue data in plastic. Ultimately, 3D printing technology is used to take the data off the computer screen and place it in the palm of one's hand.
I first had the idea for this method when I was working with X-ray CT datasets in the laboratory, and I became aware of 3D printing technology in my engineering classes here at Notre Dame.
The main advantage of this technique over other existing methods, like plastic injection molding, is that 3D printing enables the creation of extremely complex models that otherwise would not be possible to produce.
Though this method can be used to print 3D data of skeletal structures, it can also be applied to soft tissue systems such as the lungs, giving a final product like this.
All in vivo and ex vivo imaging performed for this protocol demonstration was acquired using the Albira X-ray computed tomography system. Images were reconstructed using the filtered back projection algorithm via Albira Suite 5.0 reconstructor